What if the future of technology was sitting right on your nose? Welcome to our deep dive into the world of wearable tech. Today, we're peeling back the layers on the much-anticipated Meta smart glasses, a technology that promises to revolutionize how we interact with the world around us. In a market already brimming with competition, Meta smart glasses are making a dramatic entrance. They're not the first to tread this path, though. Google Glass, Snap Spectacles, and Vuzix Blade are some of the names that have already made their mark in the realm of smart eyewear. But Meta, formerly known as Facebook, is never one to shy away from a challenge. Google Glass, the pioneer of this technology, set the bar high with its futuristic features. It provided users with real-time information, navigation, and even the ability to take photos with a simple voice command. Yet, its high price point and concerns over privacy led to its downfall. Snap Spectacles, on the other hand, have carved out a niche for themselves, offering a fun, fashionable, and relatively affordable way to capture and share moments from a first-person perspective. They're Snapchat's physical extension into the real world. Vuzix Blade, meanwhile, is a powerful tool for enterprise applications, offering a hands-free computing experience and augmented reality (AR) capabilities. However, its less-than-trendy design has kept it from breaking into the mainstream market. So where does Meta fit into this picture? The Meta smart glasses are designed to integrate seamlessly into your daily life. They're stylish, lightweight, and capable of performing tasks that go well beyond capturing first-person videos or providing real-time updates. With AI at their core, these glasses can recognize and interpret the world around them, offering a personalized and immersive AR experience. But it's not just the technology that sets Meta apart. They've learned from the mistakes of their predecessors. They're offering a product that's not only cutting-edge, but also respects user privacy and is accessible in terms of price. Before we wrap up, let's revisit the key points of our discussion. We've delved into the wearable tech market, comparing Meta's smart glasses with other key players like Google Glass, Snap Spectacles, and Vuzix Blade. We've seen how Meta is aiming to revolutionize this space with their AI-powered glasses, offering an immersive AR experience that's stylish, lightweight, and privacy-conscious. However, the true test will be in the hands, or rather on the faces, of the users. Will Meta smart glasses be the game-changer they're touted to be? Only time will tell. Until then, keep your eyes on the horizon. The future of technology is looking brighter, and it's coming into focus right before our very eyes.